General Roderick Alba, the Acting Director for Police Community Relations of the Philippine National Police. Sir, good afternoon. Thank you for joining us.
Good afternoon, Rika, and to your televiewers. Good afternoon.
Thank you, sir. It has been, a week since the procedure, the raid has started in the KOJC compound. What's the latest on this, please?
Yes, Rika, no, right now we can only limit yung pag-disclose natin ng mga information because, of course, understandably, there is an ongoing operation. Pero ito po yung isang bagay na ma-assure natin that there are sources, no, at saka mga human intelligence and information that proves that the subjects of the arrest warrants are still within the reach. This also being confirmed, no, by the ground commander himself, Police Brigadier General Nicolas Torre. At the same time, the RD of PRO 11.
General, 30 hectares is quite a big area. Gaano na po kalaki ang nako-cover natin as of now?
Exactly, Rika. That is actually a challenge. So, kung magsabi tayong 30 hectares, parang isang purok o isang barangay as big as Camp Crame. And this has massive structures, parang fortress, no, as described po ng ating ground commander, no, that it has to be visited and inspected inch by inch. So we are, as reported as of yesterday, more or less nasa 40 to 50% na po yung na-check. Now, ang tanong po at bakit medyo nagtatagal, yun po ang very important na consideration because of these massive structures alongside with the resistance post, no, ng mga occupants. That's why very careful po ang ating Philippine National Police in as much na we want to do our job fast, no, and easy, but we cannot do so much because mayroon pong nakatira sa loob and we have to respect the rights as well.
General, nun po mga nakaraang araw, no, may mga reports po that the PNP is using blue boxes and black boxes na hindi po alam kung ano ang purpose. Can you give us a clue or at least an idea of what these blue and black boxes do or for?
In the service, in the service of the warrant of arrest, there is police operation. Isasama natin law enforcement operation processes and systems na i-implement po natin. And this information na natatanggap po ninyo at na nakikita sa open sources are all part of law enforcement operation, na part ng proseso na ating pag-implement ng warrants of arrest. Disclosing specifically kung ano yung laman ng boxes na yun may jeopardize, no, yung ongoing operation. But what we can assure, no, the public, particularly the occupants of the compound, ay hindi po ito mga illegal, no, na mga assume natin yung mga laman ng boxes na yun. But this is to augment, no, ang ating kapulisan na nagpapatuloy pag-implement ng warrants of arrest, observing legal processes.
Sinasabi po ng KOJC members, the first blue boxes ay ipinasok without their approval. Hindi daw po dumaan sa kanilang security screening. Should this have happened, the black boxes also, are they na-subject na po ba sa screening and approval ng mga KOJC members or dapat pa po ba itong mangyari?
Ma'am Rika, we are always on the side of the law. We observe Rule 113 of the Rules of Court. No? Mayroon tayong sinasabi doon, as long that there is a reasonable ground to believe yung ating kapulisan, they could do things na reasonable and legal, no, to pursue the processes ng pag-implement ng warrants of arrest. Now, it is within the purview ng ating ground commander, judgment call whether they will allow coordination with KOJC authorities or occupants whether to subject these items, no, ang sinasabi natin, to extensive search. But we believe in the PNP as long it's not mandatory, no, na kailangan sila ang mag-search. Supposedly it's the other way around. It's the PNP is going to search everything. Kasi our objective is to look for the people na subject po ng warrants of arrest, and we have to ensure the safety and security. Dapat kami po ang mag-check.
All right. May na-discover po tayo that there is a secret passageway from the church to the pastor's room. So if we go about that line, are we also considering that there may be secret tunnels doon pa po sa ibang mga building? If so, will we be pulling out yung mga plans na isinumite sa city to check the veracity of these claims?
What we can say, what we can respond to this is that, Rika, we welcome any information from reliable sources. Lahat naman po ng anggulo ay tinitingnan ng ating Philippine National Police, lahat na pwedeng daanan or lagusan. That's how we treat every detail fairly. At nabanggit din po ng ating Secretary of the ILG na because there came an information, so it's natural na we should also look into this. But ultimately, nothing is final yet, Rika. No? Remember, around 50% pa tayo sa paghalugog sa buong compound. So information can just appear at one point or another.
Yun pong pag-quell natin ng tensions between security forces and KOJC members because I understand may mga nasaktan na rin po on both parties. Ano pong ginagawa natin para dito, General?
Yes. Unang-una po ang sinisiguro na ating PNP is we always observe the POP, or we call it Police Operational Procedures. Ang una po naming mandato is to ensure the safety and security of the KOJ members. Inuuna po sila bago ating kapulisan. To prove that is we have reports from our Regional Medical Dental Unit here in Region 11 na inuuna po sila, may mga injuries, may mga sakit, ay inuuna po silang ina-attend over and above sa welfare nga po ng aming kapulisan despite of all the harassments and the attacks during the initial days. Tinatapunan ng ihi, ng mababahong likido, di namin alam kung ano yon. Hindi po natitinag ang ating kapulisan, nasusugatan, napupuyat at napapagod. Despite of that, laban pa rin po ang PNP at continuous yung aming pag-implement ng warrants of arrest.
All right. Yung search po natin ngayon, is it focused mainly on the KOJC compound? I understand may mga officials din po tayo on Prayer Mountain and other known sites?
Yeah, our response to this is there are areas that the PNP are also checking. Of course, Rika, yung mga detalye nito are classified and cannot be disclosed at this time. The execution of arrest warrant is even extended beyond Davao region. Ito pong instruction na ating Chief PNP. Now, for operational security integrity, yung specific locations involved remain confidential. So we cannot discount the possibility that even beyond the Davao region ay andun din yung ating mga hinahabol at hinahanap.
All right. And finally, General, before I let you go, if ever Pastor Apollo Quiboloy will be arrested, can you walk us through the process of what will happen next?